So remember, it doesn't matter that person you're talking to over the table, they're just a normal person like you. But the fact that they might have a position of authority or power, we think that, they're untouchable, or I've got to try and impress them with my sales acumen, but they're just normal human beings like you. And so when you do your needs assessment, first go into who's going to be in the room, and then find out, go closer to home, go to their emotional human side, their kids, their family. I mean, don't stalk them now, but I'm saying get general information. If you know that they are on a family holiday and the CEO is a woman, and you see her with her husband and her 3 kids, and they went to a holiday, go, okay, so she's a family person. So let's remember that. When we go in, your product, you might want to say, our product serves as a family person myself. You might want to bring that in. Okay, so I can relate. I'm a family person. Okay, I like this person because there's certain connection points, and you've done your research.